Experiencing problems with your Boost Mobile eSIM? The most common fixes are reprovisioning and resetting your network settings. Reprovisioning involves reinstalling your eSIM profile. First, remove the existing profile under Settings, Cellular, eSIM. Then, restart your device and rescan the QR code provided by Boost Mobile, or use the My Boost app to re-download your eSIM profile. For network resets, on iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This clears potentially conflicting cached data. These steps often resolve issues arising from software glitches or profile corruption. To check for carrier updates on iOS devices, navigate to Settings, then General, and tap About. This allows your device to download any available carrier settings updates automatically. On Android devices, access Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for software updates. Installing these updates ensures compatibility with Boost Mobile's eSIM service. Make sure your device is an eSIM-compatible model and that it's unlocked. Check Boost Mobile's list of supported devices to confirm compatibility before activation. If issues persist, open the My Boost app for in-app diagnostics. The app can automatically detect and resolve minor eSIM problems without manual intervention. In rural areas experiencing connectivity drops, try reprovisioning your eSIM using a stable VPN-enabled Wi-Fi connection to ensure proper activation.